Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Yellow, red, peregrine, orange, violet, pink, eerie. Stay with me. Eerie. Stay with me. Eerie. Stay with me. Eerie. B. Stay with me. B. Stay with me. B. Stay with me. B. C. Stay with me. C. Stay with me. C. D. Stay with me. D. Stay with me. D. E. Stay with me. E. Stay with me. E. Stay with me. E. If. Stay with me. If. G. Stay with me. G. Stay with me. G. Stay with me. G. H. Stay with me. H. I. Stay with me. I. J. Stay with me. J. K. Stay with me. K. Stay with me. K. N. Stay with me. N. M. Stay with me. M. Stay with me. M. N. Stay with me. N. Stay with me. N, O. Say with me. O. Say with me. O. P. Say with me. P. Say with me. P. Q. Say with me. Q. Say with me. Q. R. Say with me. R. Say with me. R. Say with me. R. S. Say with me. S. Say with me. S. Say with me. S. T. Say with me. T. Say with me. T. U. Say with me. U. Say with me. U. V. Say with me. V. Say with me. V. W. Say with me. W. Say with me. W. X. Say with me. X. Say with me. X. Y. Say with me. Y. Z. Say with me. Z. Say with me. Z. Subscribe for more videos.